Good morning everyone. I am Tanishka Saklani. I study in class 10th ICSE in SASG Education Hub. Today we will explore two fascinating mathematical ideas which are the Fibonacci series and the golden ratio. What is Fibonacci series? It is a sequence of numbers which begins with 0 and 1 and continues till infinite. Each number from this series is the sum of its previous two numbers. For example, we take 21, so it is the sum of 13 and 8, and this series continues till infinite. Now comes the history of Fibonacci. This sequence is named after Leonardo Fibonacci. In 1202 AD, he published his book Liber Abaci, which introduced the Hindu-Arabic number system in Europe, and then this Fibonacci sequence became famous. Now comes the examples. There are so many examples, but if we take the example of petal arrangement in flowers, so there are 3 petals in lily, 5 petals in marigold, 8 petals in delphinium, and so on. We see that here the petal arrangement of the flowers also follow the Fibonacci sequence. Now comes the golden ratio. The golden ratio is a special mathematical constant represented by the Greek letter phi. And the value of phi is 1.618. The connection between Fibonacci and golden ratio. What is its connection? So when we take any two consecutive numbers from the Fibonacci series, it always gives a constant nearer to the golden ratio. Then what makes it special? It appears in nature, art, architecture, even in the human bodies. Real life examples we have discussed here: sunflower arrangement, pineapples, snail shells, spiral galaxies, and classical art and architecture. Now, why do they matter? The Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio play an important role in the nature. It makes the nature more beautiful. Thank you.